Hi everyone, this is Armando with lightsatwholesale.com, and I am excited to chat with you on our RGBW Smart Lights. I hope the last couple videos have been helpful for you, and again, I look forward to helping you even more in understanding our RGBW Smart Lights when it comes to our InvisiClips. So without saying any more, let's take a look at our InvisiClip for today. This is our InvisiGutter clip. Our InvisiGutter clip is made from the same quality material as our best clip. This attachment is installed on the gutter of the home. Or if there's a drip edge on the fascia, it can be installed under the drip edge as well. As you can see, the lights point out when installed, and they can easily be installed from a ladder or on top of the roof. This is what the lights look like at night. They are meant to point out and give that commercial look where the lights can be pretty blinding to the neighbors. So please keep that in mind. Takedown is quick and can even be done with an extension pole, similar to seasonal Christmas lights.